Good morning, students. Today we will start with congruency of triangles, that is exercise 24.3. Some sums I've done from exercise 24.2 and you have given some homework also. Today I'll give 2 or 3 sums homework from exercise 24.2. Now we'll start with the new exercise, but before that I to make you understand about what is the congruency of triangles. I hope you have done something in class 7 or 6 also. Now we are going more and more deeper in class 8 and then class 9 and 10 also. Now in congruency triangles, what we'll do, what congruency means? You have to prove that both the triangles are congruent. Congruent means that they are same. How? See, I've drawn our first rule, that side means SSS rule. What is that rule? When two triangles will be given, that sides are all equal. See, this side and this side will be equal. BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR. All these sides, if they are equal, that time when both the triangles, when all three sides are equal, only the sides are equal, that time we can say that is going by side rule. Now what I've written, after congruency, after making the triangle congruency, we can say that all the angles are also equal. When, I'm repeating one more time, when it will be congruent, not before congruent. After making the congruent, then only we can write down that all the three angles are equal, or any other extra part is given also in the question. That will be also done as that will be done by CPCT. That is written as corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Okay. Next we come across to another rule, that is the side angle side rule. What side angle means? SAS rule. See, both the triangles I have drawn over here. Here see the side symbol and the side symbol is the same. This side and this side is equal, and this angle and this side angle equal. Then written over here, see, AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR, and angle B equals to angle Q. Then from here, see, these both the side angle side means what? Side, angle and side. Both the side, in between two sides the angle will be there. Here also in both the side one angle is there, that is written as side angle side rule. Now after congruency we can write down all the angles are equal also. But in this question, if it is asked that whether AC is equal to PR, you will say that yes, it is equal by CPCT. Only when after congruency, making the triangle congruency, we can write down it is going by CPCT. Next we are coming to side angle side rule. Sorry, this will be angle side angle. Okay. Now see, in these two triangles I've drawn the written the same triangle drawn over here, but here see, this angle and this angle is equal given, and in between two angles the side will be equal. In before that, what is given? In between two sides one angle was equal. Here in between two angles one side will be equal. Here also see the same thing, angle B equals to angle Q, BC equals to QR, and angle C equals to angle R. That means it is also equal by side angle side rule. If it is told that whether AB equals to PQ, it is equal. Yes, it is equal. How? What will say? It is going by CPCT. This practical part we will be doing in the exercises. Okay, just if you not able to hear properly, means not able to understand also, you see my video repeating, you repeat the video 2-3 times so that you will be able to understand. Okay, I'm going very slow, I'm telling you each and everything point to point. Now the last rule, we are coming to right hypotenuse side. Right hypotenuse, that is RHS. That is a very important thing here. Both the triangles here written drawn a right angle at Q and Y. See, in right angle triangle, if it is given 90 and one side is given, that doesn't mean I'll say that it is going by RHS, but you have to be very careful. If it is given 90, the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse, or the opposite side is the hypotenuse and 90, these two things you have to keep in mind. Once they are equal, that is the hypotenuse are equal and 90 is given, that time you can say it is going by RHS rule. Okay, RHS, that is right hypotenuse side. Now if it is given, if you ask whether PQ is equal to QR, XY, it is given if whether PQ equal to xy, you will write down yes they are equal by CPCT. How? We have to prove the triangle, both these two triangles we have to prove, then only we go by RHS rule, that is the congruency. Then you can write it down that both these sides are equal, this side also equal, and this angle is also equal, only by CPCT. Okay, I didn't want to see CPCT full form is corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Now we are coming one exercise question. See what is the exercise question given over here. See, the show that AC is the angle bisector of BAD, angle BAD. This angle told that this angle and this angle are equal, means bisector. Bisector means we know that both the angles will be equal. Now in this part, the systematic what I have written, see what is given in the question. See, I have written over here given. This is the format you have to do. You have to follow this format only. If you are not following this format properly in the exam also, you will not be get the marks, full marks also. Some marks will be deducted. Now from here AB equals to AD, that is what, 7.2 centimeter given. See, now BC equals to CD, BC equals to CD given what, 4.3. From here you can say it is given in the question in the figure only. Now to prove what they have given, to prove is given AC is the angle bisector of angle BAD. I did an AC bisects angle BAD. Now we have to come into proof. What you will be proving? See, in triangle always you have to mention both the triangles, both the triangles you are making congruency, you have to mention it properly. Now what over here, see, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, AB equals to AD given, ABC equals to CD given. From here I have written all these things. Again you don't have to write down the value. Once you have written in the given, you write down the given only. And AC equals to AC, what is given? See, this is a common boundary. Both these triangles, AC is the common boundary. For these are written what, common. Now therefore triangle ABC congruent, this is a symbol of congruent. Triangle ADC by side rule. All why side, all the three sides are given. For this road is going by side rule. Next, what is given? That angle BAC and CAD. Now we have to prove that this angle are equal. What I have told, once I made the triangle, both the triangles are congruent, I can say this angle and this angle also, this angle and this angle is also equal, this angle and this angle is also equal, this angle and this angle is also equal. But here they have asked that whether this is the bisector or not. Yes, what I write down, this BAC and CAD are equal. See, both the angles are written over here equal by CPCT. Only after the congruence have written CPCT. Now therefore AC bisects BAD. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have some missed out anything, you repeat 2-3 times the videos. Okay, you will be able to understand it properly. I have explained each and every point, and these things you should note it down in your classwork copy, maths classwork copy. Okay, afterwards I will be checking each and everything with the module what I have done with the module part. Okay, I hope you have understood. I have given some homework also. Do these homeworks in your classwork copy only. Next day we will come across with the new sums in the exercises. Okay, have a good day. Bye.